A block is just a dCAD drawing. Suppose you were doing a drawing of a domestic dwelling. You might be using the multi-line command and clicking from here and drawing out in this direction. We'll go 3, 8, 7, 5 just to indicate that you can draw in odd lengths, and then we'll head up in this direction 4 meters, and that will do us. Let's now put a window in that wall which we'd want centered on the inner wall. You could draw that window up separately, but it's far easier to store your windows and doors and baths and laundry fittings in a library, and I'd recommend that you just drop them in the jobs folder. To bring them in, these are called blocks, separate drawings. It's just insert block, and we can scroll down the list there. I've made one window 1500, and I'll go OK, and in comes the block. It's anchored by what's called its insertion point. Let me just magnify that. You may be able to see that we should be able to just drop it down in position. I'll hit the escape key for the moment, because this compound wall consists of a number of lines, and what I need to do in order to place the window correctly is explode it. Now I can pick the midpoint of that. I'll just make sure mid is on, so I can now draw insert block. That window 1500 block is still sitting there ready to go, and in we go, and we can lock it directly onto the inner wall, so our window is now in position. Now you might want to use different colors to clearly indicate it. Just using white on white doesn't distinguish it terribly clearly, but that's for you to determine. But can you see how easy it is to put symbols into a drawing? And symbols are just other dCAD drawings.